Good morning, my dear little ones. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 1. Today, we are starting our new academic year 2021-22. So, I welcome you all to my class. My dears, today we are starting our first chapter, and our first chapter is shapes. Do you know shapes? Yes, all around us we can see the shapes, isn't it? The moon has a shape, the sun has a shape, our buildings has a shape, and everywhere we can see the shapes. So, in this chapter, we will study about the basic flat and solid figures, then corners and sides of objects or figures. After that, outlines of the bases of the objects. These all concepts we will learn in this chapter. Okay, my dears, shall we start? The first concept we are going to study is understand spatial words. Understand spatial words. So, before moving to this, we will discuss or we will think about a small problem. Okay, look at this question. Bande has a glass, a book, a die, and a birthday hat. Bande has a glass, a book, a die, and a birthday hat. Where is glass? Here is the glass. And here is the book. And this is the die. Do you know what is die? Yeah, the square shaped thing we are using to play snake and ladder. Yes, that is the die. And what is this? It's a birthday hat. You're wearing this in your birthday, isn't it? Yes, this is the birthday hat. Now, look what happened. He drew the outlines of their bases. He drew the outlines of their bases. He has three shapes as shown. Do you know what these shapes are called? So, what he did? He drew the outline of their bases. Base means this part. Okay? And he put this glass on a paper and he drew the outline of the base. And he got a shape like this. My dears, can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, very good. It's a circle. Which shape is this? It's a circle. Can you see another example of a circle shape? Yes, the sun is circle, isn't it? The sun is circle. And now look at the next one. It's a book. And he got the outline of a book as like this. Children, can you see which shape is this? Yes, it's a rectangle. Very good. It's a rectangle. Now look at the next picture. It is a die, isn't it? And he put this die on a paper and he drew the outline. Do you know which shape he got? Yeah, the shape like this. Can you see which shape is this? Yes, it is a square. It is a square. Now, after that, he put the birthday hat on a paper and he drew the base. Then he got the shape circle. He got the shape circle. So, these are the base shape of these objects. Okay, children? Alright, so in this chapter we will learn more about these different shapes. Okay, now we are moving to an introduction, and here the first concept is spatial words. Do you know what is spatial words? Yes. So spatial words means the words which shows the position of something. Okay? The words which shows the position of something. Look at this picture, children. Here, uh, look at the positions of the cat with respect to the ball in these pictures. So here you have to check the position of the cat with respect to the ball. Okay. So here this cat is on the ball. The cat is on the ball. So here the special word is on. Okay. And look at this picture. Here the cat is under the ball. So the position of cat is under the ball. So under, under. Now next is look, the cat is above the ball. Cat is above the ball, not on the ball. The cat is above the ball. Okay. And next, here the cat is below the ball. Cat is below the ball. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Here below. The word below shows the position of this cat. And here the word above shows the position of this cat. Now look. Here the cat is near to the ball. The cat is near to the ball. Isn't it? That means the cat is next to. It is next to or near to the ball. Now look here. Here the cat is far from the ball. Far away from the ball. Okay. Here it is near to the ball and here it is far from the ball. The cat is far from the ball. Got it? So which are the special words we learn? On, under, above, below, near, far. Now we are going to discuss some more. Look children, here the cat is in front of the ball. The cat is lying in front of the ball. So the position word is in front of. Okay, the position word is in front of. And look here, here the cat is behind the ball. Isn't it? The cat is hiding on the back side of the ball, that is behind the ball. Now look here, the cat is sitting inside the box. The cat is sitting inside the box or in the box. Okay, so here the position is inside or in. Now look, the cat is sitting outside the box. Outside the box. Box is here and the cat is sitting outside the box. So outside is the next special word. Got it children? So tell me which are the special words we learned? Yes. We learned the special word on, under, above, below, near, far, in front of, behind, inside and outside. These are the special words we learned. Okay children, is it clear? Okay. Children, now I am going to show you a video of special words. Okay. Do you like songs? Okay, here is a song of special words. So let's watch it.
Where's the monkey?
Where is it? Where is it?
In the box. In the box. Where's the bird?
Where is it? Where is it?
On the tree. On the tree. Where's the snake?
Where is it? Where is it?
Under the rock. Under the rock. On, in, and under. Yeah. Where's the apple?
Where is it? Where is it?
In the box. In the box. Where's the carrot?
Where is it? Where is it?
On the chair. On the chair. Where's the pumpkin?
Where is it? Where is it?
Under the bench. Under the bench. On, in, and under. Great. Where's the book?
Where is it? Where is it?
On the desk. On the desk. Where's the pencil?
Where is it? Where is it?
In the box. In the box. Where's the ruler?
Where is it? Where is it?
Under the chair. Under the chair. On, in, and under. See you next time.
Children, do you like the video? Okay. So shall we move to the next? Yes. Here, now we are going to study about some more special words. Okay? Look at the picture given below. The mouse, the cat and the woolen ball are in a line. Okay? So, here we can say that the mouse is before the cat. The mouse is before the cat. Okay? And the cat is between the mouse and the woolen ball. Okay? And the woolen ball is after the cat. Okay? So, the position of rat is, or the position of mouse is before the cat, and the position of this ball is after the cat. Okay? If it is sitting here in front of this cat, we can say that the mouse is in front of the cat and the cat is behind the mouse. Isn't it? And here these all the three are in one line. They are sitting in a line. So we can say that the mouse is before the cat and the cat is between these two, between the mouse and woolen ball. Okay, and the woolen ball is after the cat. Got it, children? Okay, now I am going to show another video. So everyone watch it.
Song about in front of, behind, and between.
In front of, behind, between. In front of, behind, between. In front of, behind, between. In front of, behind, between. In front of, behind, between. Where's the dog?
In front of the house.
Where's the duck?
Behind the fence.
Where's the mouse?
Between the trees.
In front of, behind, between. Where's the frog?
In front of the shoe.
Where's the goat?
Behind the truck.
Where's the ant?
Between the rocks.
In front of, behind, between. 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 In front of, behind, between.
My dear children, do you enjoy the video? Okay, very good. So everyone study these spatial words very well. Okay. Now we are moving to some questions. Okay. So everyone look here. Let us recall the concept of position. Choose the correct word to fill the blanks. One is done for you. So look here. Look at the picture carefully and we have to answer the questions from this picture. Okay, so look at this picture carefully. And first one, the jug is dash the table. The jug is dash the table. Where is the position of the jug? Is it on or in? Look, look. Yes, the jug is on the table. Jug is on the table. So on is the answer. Now look at the next question. The ball is dash the box. Where is the ball? Look. Here it is. So the ball is dash the box. Outside or inside? Is it outside or inside? It is inside. Very good, children. So, inside. We can write the answer inside. The ball is inside the box. Now the next question. The butterfly is dash the dog. The butterfly. Here is the butterfly. Butterfly is dash the dog. Above or under? Above or under? Where is the butterfly? Above. Yes. So the butterfly is above the dog. Now next, the cat is dash the table. Here is the cat and the cat is dash the table. What is the position of cat? Yes, it's above or under? Yes, it is under the table. The cat is under the table. Okay. Now the next is the dog is dash the table. Here is the dog and dog is dash the table. It is lying near the table, isn't it? It is far away from or near. It's not far away from, it's near the table. Right. So, dog is near the table. Next is the teddy bear is dash the jug. The teddy bear is dash the jug. We have to say the position of the teddy with respect to the jug. So what is the position, behind or in front of? Yes, the teddy is in front of the jug, isn't it? So the teddy bear is in front of the jug. My dear children, these questions are from your textbook, so you can fill these blanks in your textbook. Okay. Now we are moving to some notebook works. Look children, so everyone has a square line book like this. So everyone can write the date and after that you can write the chapter name. Then write the heading spatial words and after that you write different spatial words along with a picture. So first you write on, then if you have a picture to paste, you can picture which shows on. Otherwise, you can draw a picture which shows on. Okay, like that all the spatial words you write and show with a picture. Got it children? This is your notebook work. And here it is your homework and it's from your workbook. Everyone read it and try to do. Okay my dears? Children, I hope everybody has your workbook, isn't it? So, these questions are from your workbook and page number 1. Okay, from the first page. So, you can answer these questions and these questions are from the concept spatial words. So, you can answer these 3 questions in the textbook itself. Okay. So, now I am moving to wind up So I'm going to wind up the class. My dears, everyone watch the video again and again and study the concept very well. Okay, my dears. So I'm winding up. It's the bye bye from your Anju ma'am. Thank you.